guys, it's Shimere. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for joining us today. Okay, please excuse the chair. It's a little creaky. Every now and then it'll make a noise whenever I move. Okay, anyway, so you guys, like, look at my fingers. Okay, it has been so long, months of course, since I've been able to get my nails done, and I know that a lot of things are like open right now, but I'm not about like being in places for a prolonged period of time. You know, I'll go to the store and get things that I need, you know, wear my mask and everything. But as far as me like actually sitting in the nail shop for like, you know, anything longer than 30 minutes, like, I get a little antsy about. So I decided, hey, why not just attempt to do these nails on my own? So I will show you guys the nails that I got. These I actually saw when I was at Family Dollar, you guys, and I was like, okay, let me try these out. I didn't know for sure exactly which ones I wanted, so I was like, let me just get both of them, and we'll see which one works best. Now, I did already open them to look at them, so if you see the box looking a little raggedy, that's why. So the first one is these LA Colors, and it's Pixie Glimmery Artificial Nail Tips. Okay, that's that one. Sorry about the little glare. And then the Kiss Press-On Manicure. And I like these because I like the little, ooh, that's bright. I like these because I like the little marble look to them, and the other ones are gray. So I got those, and then the other day when I was out at the store, I was like, okay, I didn't realize one of these actually, I think it's this LA Colors, it actually came with a little nail file and thing of glue in there. So, you know, but I hadn't opened them by then, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna need a nail file, and I didn't know if I would need extra glue or not. So I bought some of this glue here, and I got this one just because it's at maximum speed, like for it to dry. And I had bought a pack of you know, salon boards, it says. We call them like nail files or emery boards. So yeah, so I'm gonna be attempting to do them. It's been so long since I attempted to put on any type of press-on nail or anything like that, so I'm really anxious to see how this is gonna turn out. And I'm really trying to see too, like, are they gonna be able to hold up? I feel like right now is a great time to do it, just because I don't have my hair out to where I have to wash my curls a lot right now because I braided my hair. So that'll be another little DIY video coming soon to you guys too, because I did these myself. So yeah, next time I do it, I'll film those. But anyway, I feel like this is the perfect time to have some nails done by me, because it's been so long. But the last time I remember having any type of press-on nails, you guys, it was like they were popping off so quick and so easily. Like, I go to touch something, it's like, bam, there's a nail's gone. And it's like, I put glue on this stuff, so it'll feel good for like a second, like it's lasting, but not too long. But like I said, that's been so long, you know. But I'm hoping that, you know, maybe since a few years has gone by, they've upped their game as far as making these actually last. And they say, okay, to prep your nails, start with clean, dry nails. I wash my hands, so I don't have on any rings or anything like that. I wash my hands and stuff before I came in here to do it. And then it just says glue and press for these. And these say, oh my, you guys, this one, the Kiss nails, this one says peel off and press on. Now, okay, oh, so these have the little sticky thing already on the back of them. This is probably the type of nail that I had a while back, you know what I'm saying, like years ago when we used to try and do little press on nails. So I'm not sure if just that clear stuff is gonna work. I don't know. Like, you guys, I'm like, I wanted to apply these today, but I'm almost tempted to apply these just to see like if these will actually stay on like that. I don't know, but I do have glue, so if they don't seem like they're gonna want to stay on, then maybe I could still turn around and glue them. I don't know, but anyway, let's go ahead and get started, and yeah, see how this turns out. Okay guys, so I basically have all the nails on. Okay, it's looking pretty decent right now. They're looking very boxy, but you guys, as I was doing the nails and I was filing them, you know, I realized I wasn't following any of the instructions the right way. Okay, first off, okay, I knew that I had to clean my nails beforehand, so that's why I told you I had washed my hands before I started doing it. But y'all, oh my gosh, the first step on here says clean nail with the prep pad. Okay, bam, there was a prep pad in here, and it says don't miss prep pad step 1. Okay, so yeah, once I was almost done and I actually realized that I cleaned a few of these with the prep pad, I'm gonna see if that makes any difference in like how the nails feel like they're holding on or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, this is probably why in the past when I used press-on nails, they didn't seem to stick on that well, because you guys, I was not following these instructions. Okay, the next thing was to press them down firmly. Okay, I did that. Do the middle, then the sides. Okay, but you guys, step 2, always apply thumbnails last. You guys, this is the first nail I put on. Okay, so please, if you're gonna use these, try and do better than me. Okay, read the instructions first. And then another step that I'm pretty sure I probably didn't do in the past was, it says for the first half hour, repeat pressing on nails to ensure extended wear. So for like the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna really have to be around here like press a nail, you know, just kind of making sure it stays. Then another step I didn't quite follow was to wait 1 hour before cutting or filing nails or exposing them to water. So of course I didn't expose them to water, but as you could see, whenever I first started, I was filing them. That's because like they have this little extra, you see that little extra hump right there? I wanted to just at least file that down a little bit. So I'm not gonna just leave them quite this boxy looking. I'm definitely gonna go back, take this little file and kind of shape them up, you know, in an hour. And what I'm probably just gonna do is insert a picture at the end of the video, just so that you can see, like once it's been over an hour, so you can see the final look of the nails. So make sure you watch till the end so that you can see what it's looking like. But yeah, for right now they feel pretty good. It's, you know, it's feeling like it's gonna stay on. And the good thing about these, you guys, is look at all these extra nails, okay? Like if one pops off or something, at least there's extras that you can go to. And like I said, if they feel like they're gonna come off and they're not gonna last by just having this little sticky backing on it, I do still have the Kiss Maximum Speed glue that I can go ahead and glue or reapply any nail that comes off. So yes, hopefully though, after I file them and get them together, hopefully like that'll be the look. Like hopefully it looks right and it stays and it's all good. But these are definitely quick and easy. And both of these packs, I remember one was like $3.50 and one was like $4. So I mean, hey, if I don't get that long of use out of them, it's okay, because they were pretty inexpensive. And honestly, like I like the way this looks better than me just trying to even paint my nails by myself, because whew, you guys, like I have to work on stuff like that lately because I'm just rusty. That's what happens when you get used to like going to the nail shop to get your nails done and stuff like that. Like sometimes you have to almost relearn how to do things for yourself again. So it's actually pretty fun to play around and practice with too. So all right, I will go ahead and leave a picture at the end. I want you guys to comment, chat with me, let me know if you guys have been using press-ons or if you are like putting out that full spread. I see some people like ordering kits and stuff to do full-on acrylics at home. I don't know if I'm skilled enough to do that, but let me know if you guys have been doing that. Let me know if you guys know of any good kits or anything like that that are reasonably priced or something that I might be able to get and play around with. But yeah, I love to hear from you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. That would definitely help me out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want you guys to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos from me. It'll notify you. I'd appreciate it. And you guys, I just wanted to tell you that I really appreciate you guys for watching, hanging in there with me. And yeah, like I said, I'll put a picture at the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay guys, so after washing my hands for the first time, like within an hour of putting these nails on, I definitely had some nails come off. So you might as well just go ahead and start with the glue. Okay, just wanted to give you guys that quick tip. Bye.